With Pete again. Today I'm gonna give you guys a quick installation video for this rear seat recliner kit from innovative JK products. As everyone know, Jeep JK Unlimited, their rear seat is notoriously known as lack of a space. So with this kit installed, I can create more space. Alright, first step, loosen up those 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you have a brake bar handy for this job. Once again, all you need to do with brake bar is just loosen them up. You don't need to take them out completely. Alright, next what you're gonna do is take off those 4 bolts. Alright, got those bad boys off. Now we can see 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and I believe other one on the far side. So basically what we need to do is we're gonna loosen up those 3 bolts and have this little piece underneath it. The 3 little pieces, they're gonna give you the recliner feeling right here underneath this bolt. Alright, let's get this thing loose. Alright, got those 3 bolts out. Wow, that was quite of a challenge. Just need to take your time. So now you need to do is put those spacer between seat and the frame of the car. So when you push this one back, you can create some gap. See the gap? Yep, just put a spacer in between. Let's get it done. Now those spacer in. And make sure the bolt is secure. Now you're gonna move on here. So put spacer between the chair and the frame of the Jeep. Should be a total of 4 of them. Let's do it. Alright, just finished the installation. It's actually longer than what I thought because those bolts are super hard to loosen up or tighten in. So just take forever. And I sit down on there already. Actually, I got a pretty it right here. Yeah, so you can tell significantly different. I have a lot of knee room. I can lay back, and it's awesome. I believe this kit is like $50-some. It's worth a try. Just, one of a easy upgrade. Alright, please like my video. If you have comments, just leave it below. I will answer as soon as I can. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's concluding my my video. Enjoying the day. Thank you.